everybody, this is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. Today we're talking asparagus, how to prepare it, and specifically how to cook the asparagus that you have. Well, preparing it is not really a hard thing at all. First of all, you want to give it a good wash, obviously. And then you want to take a look at the woody ends on there. A lot of people will simply just cut off the woody ends, or you can take the stalk and bend it to the point where it snaps in two, and the shorter end, the woody end, they will discard or save for when they're making stock of some sort, and then use the other part. You can also take a vegetable peeler and run it along the bottom end of the stalk and just remove some of the woody area that way. That might help to save more of the edible part for you, so that might be something to try if you haven't tried that yet. Once you prepare the stalks, then you can leave them whole, or you can cut them into desired lengths for whatever you plan to do with them. Now, when you go to cook asparagus, I mean, there's all sorts of things that you can do with it. You can boil it, steam it, saute it, roast it. You can even pickle it, grill it. You can include it in frittatas, omelets, soups, and stir fries. The thinner stalks can even be eaten raw, so you don't even really have to cook asparagus. You can just cut it up and throw it into a green salad for some extra crispiness there for you. But most importantly, with asparagus, less is best when we're talking about cooking, because the more you cook it, the more tender it's going to be, and it's eventually going to turn into a pile of mush. And unless you want it mushy, for someone who maybe doesn't have any teeth, chances are you're going to want it more with a little bit of crispness to it. So less cooking is best when we're talking about asparagus. Okay, now the thinner stalks will cook up a lot faster than the thicker ones, so you're going to need to kind of poke them with a fork a little bit to determine if they are as tender as you want them to be. Now, below in the description box and in my 101 notes on my blog, I have specific instructions for different types of cooking methods. And so down there I have specific instructions on how to boil your asparagus, how to microwave it, steam it, stir fry it, roast it, and even how to barbecue your asparagus. So the information is down there for you, and a printable version is good on my blog site. So I do hope this helps you out. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. This is Judi at Judi in the Kitchen. Bye now.